Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 Seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. EThekwini Mayor Councillor Mxolisi Kaunda presented the budget of 67.2 billion rands for the 2024-2025 financial year. The operating budget is 59.5 billion rands, while the capital budget is 7.68 billion rands. The city has introduced a 10% rebate on rates on vacant land and increased the indigent rebate threshold for qualifying households from 4,220 rands to 7,000 per month. The senior citizens' annual rebates has also increased from 5,220 rands to 5,770 rands, while the property value threshold to receive free basic services including water, sanitation and refuse removal has also increased from 250,000 rands to 350,000 rands. The budget was adopted at a full council meeting after robust, rigorous consultations with residents, the business sector, ratepayers associations, Amakosi and other vital stakeholders. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.